didn't even notice it.
All right, shooter ready. Stand by. Hit. Hit.
As soon as the buzzer went on, I forgot everything.
Remember, you might want to think about moving before we leave cover, buddy. All right, there's 2 through the window.
Hit it.
There you go.
Got it.
Hey, on the move. 2 hits on the move. There you go.
Nice. Reload. Go to slide lock when you're laying down there.
Hit. Hit.
I laid down. Hey, through the window.
Hit. Hit.
Yeah, 2. No. 1 on the greens. 1. 2 on the move. No, not on the move.
Hit. Hit. Okay. Get it up and running.
And then on the move, give the brown one 1.
And then 2 on the.
And everything from the truck is 2 on the low.
All right. 1 hit on that brown one on the move.
So in front of the rear tires, 2 to 1.
Yeah, we'll give that a hit, however slight.
And then 2.
Hit.
Almost done, Andy. Finish hard. Finish hard.
Open up, no, up the top, up the top.
Yeah. And then through this next window, you're going to knock down the 2 greens. That's a right to the left. Hit the head shot with your shotgun. You're not allowed to go pistol. It's about that freaking big. You can ask him. I don't know if he wants you. Oh, nice.
All right, buddy, you're doing good.
But it's close. It's close. I'll tell you. Twice.
Oh!
All right, so
It's only a flesh wound.
143.
And you just
With a dead hostage.
It doesn't look like a flesh wound. It looks like an arm fell off.